Okay, this is Dr. Kraus with a quick explanation and demo of what is a master control relay, or MCR. The key idea is that an MCR is like a big on-off switch that allows you to turn off a chunk of rungs in your code. The MCR instruction is able to override the normal behavior and force every rung to execute as if its rung in condition is false. Now I get that from, if you were just to Google Rockwell MCR instruction, it would take you to here, and like I said, this is the key sentence. So what we're doing is enabling or disabling a group of rungs based on the MCR, but you have to have a top MCR instruction that has your control to it, and then another kind of like end MCR kind of thing here. Now, know that I've got my buffer inputs in my top rung, my buffer outputs in my bottom rung. I'm just zooming in here. And the key thing I want you to see is that as long as the MCR is enabled, then the rungs within it behave normally. So I've got 3 inputs controlling the lights. But whether they were on or off, if I then disable the MCR, it overrides the behavior. And so even though in 0 is on, out 1, even though in 1 is on, out 1 is still off, and out 3 is still off. If I then re-enable the MCR zone, the rungs function normally. So it's just a way to take a chunk of code and say I want to disable all of this and force it all to behave as if the inputs are false when I disable the master control relay. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.